I've been on the road for 3 months and life is already different to what it was. I found a place to call my home, a place to call my own, 'cause I got an opportunity to live one of my dreams, to work away in a different country, in a working hostel in Tuscany. 'Cause it's just $1.25 per week. Have a beer, drink with me. I said it's just $1.25 per week. Go for a bike ride and chill on the beach. And we roll cigarettes out of receipts, 'cause we're drunk out of paper and we got no other means, but we can't afford them. Don't get me wrong, if you keep listening there'll be a point to this song, 'cause the hostel gets you a job if you need it. Just tell us your dreams and we'll see if we can feed it. It's just $1.25 per week. Have a beer, drink with me. I said it's just $1.25 per week. Go for a bike ride and chill on the beach. So here we are, living our lives, slowly learning how to do it right. But it's okay, 'cause we got time. So if you're ever in Grosseto, why don't you stop by? It's just $1.25 per week, and being here is all we need. And I can only ever speak for me, but you'll love it too. Just wait and see.
Woo! Woo! Did it. Very
Fifth time is the charm.